When we move, well, you already know. So just imagine. I can see by you when you dance, dance, dance. Feel good, good creeping up on you. So just dance, dance, dance. Go.
Just stuck up in your head, and it's time for me to go. So I guess I'll see you later, or I'll see you on my phone. Like grab the ribbon, fuck your feelings. Oasis of my song, this is spiritual healing.
How do you suppose we explain this mess to Drago Bloodfist?
Drago Bloodfist? Does anything you say make sense?
This is what he gave me last time I showed up in town.
There ain't no pain, no gain, it's enough my name. The raise my name right at that bang bang.
Everybody, let's get into it. Get stoked, get it started, get it started, get it started. Let's get it started. Let's get it started in here.